Our platform also includes a dedicated space designed for citizens. For anyone curious about agriculture, passionate about nature, or even those with a small plot who simply want to be part of something meaningful. The Citizen section was created with a mission to bring science closer to everyday people and empower them to take an active role in protecting their environment. Here, your observations matter. And to support you, a team of professional entomologists reviews your data, helping ensure your contribution has real scientific value. When you log in as a citizen, you will find your fields and gain access to the same tools used by professional farmers, but in a simple and user-friendly way. And the best part, when you report captures, you can upload photos directly, allowing entomologists to verify your count and guide you along the way. If a photo isn't clear, you can delete it before validation or adjust the count yourself. Once it's reviewed, you will see the entomologist's corrections, helping you learn and improve with every report. All of this lets you actively participate in pest monitoring, contribute to real science, and protect your surroundings, even if you've never worked in agriculture before, because in Cerberus, every citizen can make a difference.